Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. The problem with spending winter just living on your preserved food is that I actually miss salads no end. So what I did actually in March, I canned up the ingredients for coleslaw and I took them from this book, which is the Blue Book Guide to Preserving, and in it they have a recipe for, oops, this is my big mug. The recipe is for a red cabbage coleslaw. Now I didn't use red cabbage, I just used a normal white one. And I canned it up. And it was on my shelves and I've been using it because it made economical sense to actually buy a couple of cabbages and carrots and everything that goes in here and can it up in one go, rather than buying a cabbage, using half of it if that, and the rest going off. I've got some hot eggs in there boiling, but this one for whatever reason did not seal, and it was a metal lid I used, which just goes to show that I'm too used to tattlers rather than metal, but it didn't seal. So I just put it in the freezer. When I was going through the freezer yesterday to fetch out some other things, I found this. So I got it out to defrost, which it now has done, and it's all ready. It's my salad in a jar. But because the lurch is on late this week, there's only me for the evening meal. So what I used to do when I was at work, I'd do a load of salads that I could keep in the fridge and take to work with me over a couple of days. And that's what I do during summer. Get stuff out of the garden, make a load up and eat it over a couple of days. But over winter, no garden going, it's under snow at the moment. And so I just thought I did this because I was missing my salads. I've got to the stage again that I'm missing my salads. So I'm going to make just a simple egg salad with it. I've cooked some pasta off and put it in here to cool down. The water, I thought rather than throwing it, I'll bung a couple of eggs in it and hard boil those eggs because it's already boiled, the water has. So that's what's going, so I can have an egg salad. This is it's water bath canned and it's got vinegar in it to help preserve it. And I'm going to be making some more of these later this year because I think they're a godsend for me in winter, so I can have my salads. Because Lurch will go round and buy things now and again, and he's bought me a pack of tomatoes because I do like fresh tomatoes. But this is brilliant. I can now open it up. If it had sealed, it would have gone on the shelf and been used by now. But I'm emptying it out, and obviously I don't want all the vinegar that has been there preserving it. So that's all the vinegar off it. So I'll put that in a bigger bowl. So to this I'm going to add the pasta. I've added a bit of pepper, chili flakes and salt, so they can go in. These quite pitiful. These quite pitiful looking things are the last of the spring onions from my garden, which I'm going to cut up now. So my pasta is now in there. I've chopped, well, my pasta and coleslaw, cabbage and everything. I've chopped everything else up that I want to go in. My spring onions, tomatoes, and a couple of boiled eggs. And just mix it all around. I'm running low on my mayonnaise, but doesn't matter, I've got another one upstairs. Stock. Start off by adding 3 dessert spoons and give it all a mix. Now if you've got some potatoes, new potatoes or not, canned potatoes, you can put them in. I aren't, because this is just to feed me while Lurch is on late. That's not far off how I want it. Well, I put the rest of it in because there's not much left in the jar. Could do with a bit of salt in, I think. Salt. I might actually add a little bit of this mustard. Not much, because I don't want it to overpower. Just a bit. But this should help me in my cravings for a salad. And it's all from stuff that I got in, apart from those tomatoes. So that's 3 meals for me. Tonight I've put the pumpkin and medlar chutney, put pie in, pickles, cheese, beetroot, and that'll be for tonight. And then I've got exactly the same, apart from I haven't put the beetroot on because it'll send everything red. But they're going to go into the fridge for the next couple of nights. And it tastes better the longer you leave it. Well, not too long obviously, but if you can leave it to sit for a good hour or 2 before you're actually going to eat it, it tastes a lot nicer. So, thank you. Bye.
It's a